Welcome. In front of me is a Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I will be using just the home screen as an example right here. And once you have it open and visible on your screen, hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will have the entirety of your screen captured, so both of the screens, which you can find in your photo gallery. Now additionally, if you want to capture maybe just a smaller version, so as an example just this screen, you would fold it and then do the same thing, and this will capture the smaller version of it. And obviously if you want to capture the other screen, flip it over, double click, and you can do the same thing, power and volume down. And again, same thing. So now if we open it up, we should have all our screenshots in our photo gallery. So let me quickly find that. There we go, photos. Let's go to library, screenshots, and there we go. So there is one. For some reason it took the other screen though. Then here, as you can see, it's a little bit wonky. So because the other screen was lit up when I was flipping it over before I tapped on it, it showed the other screen as well. This is the normal one where it's visible with two. So let's see if we can actually fix that up and capture just one of them instead. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna wait for it to turn off the Come on. Okay, there we go, it disappeared. So now I'm gonna do the same thing. Just capture this. Okay. And let's see if I flip it over now. Let's make the second page as a screenshot. And make sure that the other screen isn't lit up, just to make sure that it's being done correctly. And again, power key, volume down. Oops, let's try it again. There we go. So let's check it out if now it went correctly. Okay, so it looks like it captures always both of the screens even if they are actually turned off. So it does kind of remove that bar from the other one, because as you can see, if both of them were turned on, it looked like this. But apparently if you capture only one screen when the other one is folded and turned off, it still captures it anyway. It just doesn't give you any kind of content on it, just the wallpaper. That's a little bit of a shame, but anyway, that is how you capture a screenshot on here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.